Welcome to the Ultimate Effects Pack launch video. I'm so stoked to show you what's inside, as this pack was designed from scratch and I've been working meticulously to make everything seamless. Once you purchase the pack, you will have it for life. I plan on updating this pack monthly with massive updates. Using the effects suggestions on my launch site, you can tell me what you want and I will make it happen. I'm also giving away 10 free versions of this pack. All you have to do is click the link in the description down below and follow those steps. If you win the giveaway and you purchase the pack, I will give you a full refund. On top of all the seamless video transitions, I've crafted over 154 high-quality audio sound effects that you can use in your footage. They add that extra element you need to really make your footage stand out. And of course, every transition has audio attached to it. So I know $50 is a high price point, as most of my packs are free, and some are a couple dollars. So I want you to know why. I've been talking to a couple YouTubers and other creators who are like, dude, this pack is sick. Like, I think you should be charging so much more for the amount of work you put in already. I don't want to do that. I wanted to create something that had a standard price. So for the entire life of this pack, no matter how many effects are added, it will always remain at $50. And I think that's a pretty good deal considering what this pack has to offer and what it has to come. Because this pack will constantly be updating based on what you want. This is a pack for you. If you want something, all you have to do is submit an effects suggestion and I will add it to the pack in a future update. I'm also going to be giving away one free version of the pack on every future tutorial video I make. Because for me, this is just about helping the creator. One final note. I have created video tutorials and PDF files to show you how to use the pack, as well as changing the resolution to any project you are working on. It should also be noted that this is designed for CC 2019 and CC 2018. Now, I want to say a huge thank you. I wouldn't have been in a position to do something like this without you. So thank you so much. You guys know the drill. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and as always, I'll see you next time.